refers to single page applications.
Okay.
Now, what are single page applications? Single page applications allow you to build rich, dynamic, interactive websites, or in fact, web applications.
This dynamic interactive web application, sir.
Correct.
Interactive web application. Okay.
And how is this single page applications different from other dynamic web applications? As the name says, single page applications, these websites or web applications, they load all the data and their assets on the first initial page request.
Load all the pages and initial page request.
No, they load all the data and their corresponding resources
on the initial page.
On the initial page request.
Okay.
So first time when you give a request, after everything is loaded only, you will be able to see the page.
Yes, okay.
Hope this point is clear.
Yes, sir.
So the advantage of this process is once everything is loaded, the page becomes interactive, it becomes fluid, it becomes very, very dynamic. And as you interact with the page, there is no further page reload that is actually required.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because there is no page reload that is actually required, users actually get a very rich and fluid and dynamic user experience.
Okay.
Also, single page applications, when you actually create websites, web applications, you may also get the native look and feel of your particular device, whether it be a Mac or a Linux or some other system. And single page applications, they heavily use JavaScript at the core, along with HTML5 and optionally very minimal amount of CSS for styling. Fine. Having said what single page applications are, now in case if you have a particular website or a web application and you want to have communication with the database, you can achieve communication with the database using REST, WebSockets, and AJAX technologies. So this allows to communicate with the database and rely on a combination of all these technologies to make actually the server requests in the background without having to refresh the page. Now, another very important advantage of using a single page application is you can use the application even if there is no internet connectivity.
Internet connection.
Yes, sir.
That is, even if you don't have network connectivity, while you design the application, there are so many options. Essentially, there are 7 options, but these 2 options are very widely used, which are web storage and web manipulation. Sorry, URL manipulation.
Web storage.
Now, before we actually see the next point, guys, any kind of problems in understanding with the above points that we have seen now?
Sir.
What, sir?
No, you have any doubts so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so let's move on.
Mm.
So single page applications, like there are modern applications and there were also applications that were traditional. Now there is a difference between
Okay.
traditional single page application and a modern single page application.